For our autumn product review feature, we've been looking at gardening footwear, and we were really impressed with these boots from the Muck Boot Company. They're actually called Women's Muckster 2 Mid Wellington. They are a lovely, lovely boot. Very comfortable. We've tried and tested them in the garden. Great for walking and great for general tasks around the garden. First thing is they've got fantastic tread at the bottom, so if you're walking muddy ground or wet ground, got excellent grip. They're also 100% waterproof. They've got a lovely design and they're easy to slip on and off with this pull tab, but also they've got this lovely fleece lining which will keep your feet nice and cozy during those winter months. We are really pleased with them, and we'll be definitely using them in the garden. One other feature of them, they're quite stylish too, because what you can do is just fold that over and then they look quite stylish, almost like a fashion boot as well. So multi-purpose, excellent pair of boots. Look out for them from the Muck Boot Company.
If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button and also give us a comment, let us know what you're doing in the garden at the moment. And if you like our videos generally, it'd be really great if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel.